Understanding the phrase, rust away. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, rust away. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Rust is a reddish-brown substance that forms on iron or steel when it comes into contact with water or moisture. Over time, this rust can eat into the metal, causing it to weaken or even disintegrate. Now, when we add the word away to rust, it emphasizes the idea of something gradually being consumed or deteriorated by rust. Therefore, rust away means, for metal, to corrode or deteriorate because of rust. Used figuratively, for something to slowly decline, fade, or deteriorate over time. Understanding a phrase is much easier with examples. Here are a few. 1. The old bicycle was left out in the rain and eventually rusted away. 2. This sentence implies the bicycle deteriorated due to rust because it was exposed to moisture. 3. If you don't practice your skills, they will rust away. 4. Here, rust away is used figuratively, suggesting that skills can decline if not practiced. 5. The metal bridge, over the years, began to rust away, making it unsafe for use. 6. This sentence emphasizes the danger of metal structures rusting away over time. Knowing synonyms can help enrich your vocabulary. Some synonyms for rust away, especially when used figuratively, include fade away, deteriorate, decay, decline. I hope this gives you a clearer understanding of the phrase, rust away. It can be used both literally, referring to metal corroding, and figuratively, indicating something slowly fading or deteriorating. Remember, language is all about context, so listen out for this phrase and see how it's used in different situations. Until next time, keep learning and happy speaking.